In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make some real free PayPal money. And I'm not talking about any of that fake PayPal money hack stuff or those fake free PayPal money videos that you watch to tell you to do a whole bunch of offers in order to get paid free PayPal money. I'm not talking about none of that. I'm talking about some real free PayPal money that's going to actually go into your PayPal account that you can actually spend, that you can take from your PayPal and put in your bank account. This is real free PayPal money, and I'm going to teach you the exact way to get it. If you're new to my channel, I talk about different ways to make money online, how to make cash out money, how to make free PayPal money, how to make money with apps, how to make money just in general. So if this is something that you're interested in, if it's something that you want to get into, you definitely want to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and if you enjoyed this content, leave a like. Also, I'm going to be announcing a contest in the middle of the video. As I'm going to be giving away some free money, and you're actually going to have to watch the whole entire video to get access to that. So you definitely want to stay until the end of the video. So let me show you what you're going to learn in this video. In this video, I will give you an important update on the app that I've previously talked about on this channel. It is a free PayPal money that I've already made over $400, excuse me, in free PayPal money fast using this particular app. Now, I talked about this app and I want to give you guys an update on this app. They recently have been going through some changes, and I want to make sure you guys are straight, and this is actually is going to involve what I'm talking about on the next point, which is I'm going to introduce you to a brand new money making app that pays you free money to your PayPal. Excuse, that's a typo, and is a great service for people who are self-employed. So if you're self-employed and you get W-9s, a lot of people don't notice when you get W-9 forms from companies, you have to make over $600 plus in order to get a W-9 form from a company, and that's basically a tax form, and you do have to submit that tax form at the end of the year, excuse me, and you have to file that with your taxes. And all the money that you made, the government is going to want that, the tax on that money, back, because they didn't get that the entire year. So you're going to have a tax bill. So I'm going to teach you a way that you can eliminate that tax bill. Even if you're driving Uber, DoorDash, Ship, all the other stuff, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to teach you how to bring that bill on down and actually make some free PayPal money referring people to it. So you're definitely going to want to stay until the end of the video. This is going to be very, very great in order for you guys to get access to if you're looking to make some free PayPal money. Now, let me talk about Waldo, because they just did an update and it's really, really simple. If you haven't signed up for Waldo, you definitely want to sign up for it. I'm about to teach you the exact way to sign up. So in order for you to start referring people to Waldo, and I've actually already started referring people to Waldo, and I've made, like I said, over $400+. You can see 40, 35, 50, 80, 170, 35, another 35, another 35. This is actual money coming to my PayPal, free PayPal money through this company called Waldo, and I basically did that referring people to Waldo. But it's been an update, and it's been a way that they're getting ready to. Well, they didn't get ready to. They already did it. They're actually changing the way that you can refer people. So you must be a Waldo. User. So if you haven't signed up for Waldo, I'll actually give you access to my link tree, and this is where all of my money making apps are. That I make free PayPal money and just free money in general. And you just go to this Waldo right here, and you can check out some of these other ones that you get paid for referrals with and sign up for those as well. Well, you can go to Waldo and basically just sign up. But I'm going to teach you how to sign up because they just changed this. So let me go over here to the referral qualifications, because you're going to need this because you're going to be referring people to this. But if you don't know what Waldo is, basically a cashback app that you link a card to. When you spend money at a certain store and the price drops, the stores owe you money, and Waldo monitors those prices, and they get you your money back if a price has dropped. I will actually just show you inside my Waldo account, and you can actually see, all the stuff that I've, kind of bought with this. Is no limit on how many you can get, and it doesn't matter the price, which I'm about to teach you exactly how to get qualified and how to get your referrals qualified really, really quickly. So the update is you have to have a sufficient number of email receipts and a verified card. A lot of you guys that are with me have a referral, not a referral, but excuse me, that I've referred to Waldo, have a verified card, but you don't have a sufficient number of receipts. You need 5 receipts at a qualified. Let me go to it. You need 5 shopping receipts within the last 6 months, and it has to be in your Gmail inbox. So when you make a purchase on Amazon, they send you an email, and I'll just give you an example of one. Let me go back to my inbox really quickly and actually show you. It just shows me that, that my stuff is on the way. So that's like an email receipt. And so, basically, you need five of those, but it needs to go to your Gmail and not any other, um, other email provider. So it needs to go to your Gmail. And what you do is you sign in with your Gmail, and though look for those five email receipts in the last 6 months, and then you're then qualified to become a Waldo member. Now you have to have that, and you have to link a card. So you have to do two things in order to be able to even refer people to this, because you have to be qualified first. So if you don't have five email receipts, this is what I'm doing. I'm running a contest for anybody that likes this video. Share this video on social media, comment I want to make money, or comment they've made money with one of my apps below in the comment section below, or ask a question or whatever. I'm going to be, randomly selecting people to give a $20 to $25 Amazon gift card. I might even do a $50 gift card, but I want to split it up so more people can get it. I'm actually going to be giving away gift cards for people to go on. If you have insufficient email receipts, you're going to be able to go on Amazon and get like $2 to $3 items. Now you have to get them separately, so you can't just get 5 items and put them in one cart. And you have to get them separately. So what you would do is you'll basically go and get $1 to $3 items on Amazon, and you have Prime shipping, and you'll go and you will spend that money on a gift card and get each one of those sent to your house, and you will get an email receipt, and then you will have 5 shopping receipts in order to qualify. So I'm going to be doing this Amazon giveaway for about, I'll say, I'm going to be doing it probably to the end of this year, because a lot of people need to sign up with Waldo. And so I'm going to be doing this to the end of the year. It's going to be randomly selected. If you contact me on Instagram or email or anything else saying that you want to win a gift card, you're going to be automatically withdrawn from the contest, and you won't be able to re-enter. So you definitely just comment, like, and share, and you will be entering into the contest, and I will contact you. I'm doing it like I did my Cash App video, where I've given away a lot of money, a lot of Cash App money. Since I did that video, but I'm just going to be randomly selecting people. So you want to do those actions in order to get into that particular contest. And then when you get your gift card, like I said, just get 5 items separately. Don't add them all to the same card. Buy one item, and then go back and buy another item, and make sure the email receipts are going to a Gmail inbox. And then once you get the sufficient number of emails, some of you already got your cards linked here. You just sign in with Gmail. They get them, and then you're qualified to start referring people. This is really cool because I've made, like I said, let me go over here to Waldo real quick. I've made, over $400. I can't even count it. And, I'm still making money with this today. Okay, so it's really, really simple. If you want to enter in that contest, go ahead and do that. Now to the new app, and I'm going to end this video after I talk about this. The brand new money making app that pays you free PayPal money is actually something that is for people who are, freelancers, contractors, and I was talking to you at the beginning of the video about taxes. Like I said, once you make over $600 in any app, so if I've referred you to an app, or if you've been referring people to any of these apps and they pay you over $600, they will give you a W-9, and you have to submit that. And you have to pay that tax bill on that. It can get pretty high if you're making thousands and thousands of dollars. I am self-employed. I do have my own business, and if you have your own LLC, you still can take advantage of this, because I do have my own LLC. But you can absolutely take advantage of this, because it can actually lower your tax bill. So all of the taxes that you didn't pay on the income that was coming in, with all of these apps, you have to pay that at the end of the year. That tax bill can be high. So what Keeper is doing is allowing you to, sign in with your bank account, and actually they'll get a tax advisor for you. It's $12 a month. You get a 30-day free trial, so you can sign up, and I'll leave a link for you guys to sign up in the description below, or on this money making app thing right here. I'll probably just leave a link in the description below, because it is like a certain code. I'm gonna give you my code to sign up in order to get the 1 month free trial. But basically, if you're doing anything like Uber, or if you're driving Uber, if you're taking Uber, if you're eating out, grabbing lunch with coworkers, this can actually help you write a whole lot of this stuff off. So you can write off food, gas, and stuff like that. That can lower your tax bill. And when I first originally started making money with this, I didn't know about this. And I actually got a whole bunch of W-9s at the end of the year, my first year making a whole lot of money. And I actually had to file that. And when I filed that, I had a big tax bill, and I wasn't able to take advantage of all of these write-offs that I could have, significantly knocked that bill down. Okay, 2018, it significantly knocked that bill down a lot, so, so you definitely want to do this if you're an independent contractor, or if you're self-employed. Basically, that means self-employed, excuse me, and you're making a whole lot of money. You want this app so you can get your own tax advisor that actually can walk through this stuff with you. They can send you text messages, make sure everything is straight. So how you're going to make money with this is, a lot of independent contractors, a lot of self-employed people need this type of app, and you get $20 per person that she refers to Keeper. That $20 comes to your PayPal. Let me see if I can. I just had it. Let me go to Camp. I know I put it on here. I got a couple of, because that was on a different account. So I'll just show you, because this is a part of my thumbnail. This is, me actually getting paid or whatever. These are all the apps that I've been using, but here's Keeper right here. And you get $20 per person that you refer, that actually becomes a paid member. So they actually have to stay beyond a 30-day free trial and actually become a bookkeeper member, which is $12 a month. I'm actually going to be doing this because it's actually cheaper than QuickBooks. I used to use QuickBooks a lot. I don't use them anymore because they're just a little bit too high. Or at this point, they're $19 per month. But then if you have all the other stuff, if you want them to import it, it's an extra cost for that. And this can actually knock it down. And it's going to be helping you save a lot of money on your taxes. And also, if you refer people to this, all you need is one person, to refer to Keeper in order for you to pay your bill per month. It's $20. So refer one person, you get $20 when they become a paid member. And you can refer how many people you want to. So this is really, really simple. You get free PayPal money per person that you refer that pays a 30-day trial. You can start doing videos about, how you can save money on taxes for Uber drivers and DoorDash. You can do different videos of that, and then just, give them Keeper and leave your link and code, in the description of those videos that you do, and you can make a whole lot of money doing that, or you can just, advertise on Facebook and do it that way. So that's it. That's how you make free PayPal money. I'm making a whole lot of money with Waldo still to this day. And this is a new money making app that you can do, and it helps you save money on your taxes. I will leave that link in the description below where you can sign up and use my code in order to get a 30-day free trial. And you're good. And like I said, you make $20 per person that you refer to Keeper that actually becomes a paid member. That's very, very important. Now, you don't get paid when they first sign up and get a 30-day free trial. But after the trial, when they become a paid member, you get paid $20. They pay to your PayPal. Really simple. And when you make over $600 with Waldo, you actually have to sign a W-9. So a lot of you guys that are making money on Waldo, once you make over $600, you become a brand ambassador, and you actually have to sign a W-9. I'll actually show it to you guys. This is for brand ambassadors for the people. You have to sign a form, and you have to sign a W-9, and it has to be submitted because they have to submit that on their end for anybody that's making over $600 with them, even as an independent contractor. So you're definitely going to need this, especially if you're doing multiple apps and you're making thousands of dollars a month, like a lot of you people are doing in, with the apps that I'm teaching you how to use. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you rewind and watch this video over. And actually, if you need more questions on the contest, I probably already said it, so just rewind this video, watch that again. And I hope you guys got a whole lot of value from this. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.